In this tutorial, we're going to be decorating a heart cake for a gender reveal. We're going to start off by lining our cake pan. I am using parchment paper and some Pam. Make sure to cover the sides very well so the cake doesn't stick to it. And I got these cake pans at the dollar store last Valentine's Day, so that was such a lucky find. Now we're going to be adding a little bit of purple to counter the yellow. And this is a Swiss meringue mock buttercream. We're using pasteurized egg whites, and I am going to be linking the recipe that I used down below. It's a really good one. Okay, so right here I just stacked and crumb coated my cake. I am using my acrylic cake scraper, which is such a game changer, and I'll be linking it down below because it is so amazing. Okay, so these are the tips that I'm using, and I'll be writing them down in the description so you guys don't miss them. Also, if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial, let me know, because I know that this one is a little bit faster and I know some of you might have questions, so just write them down below and maybe we can go over it a little bit slower. Now this tip is one of my favorite ones. I think this is the one that I use the most. Also, this one is just kind of like a smaller version of it. This gender reveal heart cake was a little bit hard to, you guys can see right here that the blue was kind of showing. It was a little bit hard to cover, I'm not gonna lie. So you're gonna have to kind of go over and over it until all of the color is disappears. Right here I'm using a Ziploc bag because I'm adding small roses and I didn't want to dirty another bag. So these Ziploc bags come in handy. I just added some pink and blue small flowers around the cake, and that's how it came out. It was so beautiful. Let me know, like I said, if you guys have any questions, and I will be answering them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.